Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to curve text in Adobe Express. This is a fantastic feature that allows you to create eye-catching designs with text that flows in circular, arched, or bowed shapes. Perfect for logos, social media graphics, or any creative project where you want your text to stand out. First, open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your Adobe Express workspace. After logging in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard where you can manage all your design projects. Now you have two options here. You can either start fresh by creating a blank project, or if you already have something you're working on, simply select your existing project from your dashboard. Either way works perfectly for adding curved text to your design. Once you're in your project workspace, direct your attention to the left panel. Here you'll see various design tools and options. Click on the text icon to access all the text-related features. This opens up the text editing capabilities you'll need for curving your text. In the upper left area of your screen, you'll notice an option that says Add your text. Click on this to insert a new text element into your design. A text box will appear on your canvas where you can type whatever message you want to curve. Go ahead and type in your desired text. If you'd like to rename your text element for better organization, now's a good time to do that. This can be helpful if you're working with multiple text layers and want to keep everything organized and easy to locate later. Here's where the magic happens. Navigate back to the left panel and look for the Text Layouts button. Click on it and you'll see several curving options appear. Adobe Express offers three main styles: circle, arch, and bow. The circle option wraps your text in a complete circular path. The arch creates an upward curve and the bow gives you a downward curve. Choose whichever style best fits your design vision by simply clicking on it. Once you've selected your preferred text layout, you might want to adjust the size of your curved text to make it more prominent or to fit better within your overall design. You can easily do this by staying in the left panel where you'll find the font size controls. Simply click the plus sign to increase the font size or the minus sign to decrease it until you achieve the perfect look. And there you have it, you've successfully curved your text in Adobe Express, giving your design that professional, polished touch that makes it stand out. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.